This video explores how drinking water is prepared inside a modern industrial facility. Clean water may look simple when it reaches our homes, but behind every drop is a complex and carefully controlled process designed to ensure safety, purity, and quality. The journey begins with water sourcing. Large processing plants collect water from natural underground reservoirs, rivers, or controlled supply systems. Before any treatment begins, the raw water is tested to measure impurities, minerals, and bacteria. This initial testing helps engineers decide which treatment methods are required. Once the water enters the facility, it passes through a filtration system designed to remove large particles such as sand, dirt, and sediment. These filters act as the first protective layer and prevent damage to sensitive machinery further along the process. At this stage, water may still contain invisible contaminants. The next step is advanced purification. Water flows through multiple purification units that use carbon filters, membrane systems, and pressure-based filtration. These systems remove chemicals, heavy metals, and microscopic particles that are unsafe for consumption. Each unit plays a specific role in improving clarity and taste. After purification, the water enters a controlled treatment stage. In this phase, safe levels of minerals may be added back to balance taste and meet health standards. Engineers carefully monitor mineral content to ensure consistency across every batch processed in the facility. Quality control is one of the most critical steps. Samples are taken continuously and tested in on-site laboratories. Technicians check for bacteria, chemical balance, and clarity. If even a small issue is detected, the entire batch is stopped and reprocessed. The clean water then moves through sealed stainless steel pipelines designed to prevent contamination. These pipes operate in a sterile environment, ensuring the water remains untouched by external elements. Automation systems control flow speed and pressure with extreme precision. Next comes the final preparation stage. The processed water is directed into clean holding systems where it is stored temporarily before distribution. Temperature, pressure, and purity levels are monitored digitally in real time. Before leaving the facility, a final inspection ensures all safety and quality standards are met. Only after passing these checks is the water approved for public consumption. This modern processing system allows millions of people to receive clean drinking water every day. Behind a simple glass of water lies advanced engineering, strict quality control, and continuous monitoring that keeps water safe and reliable.